Daddy
and
Kittens!
Huh? What do you have? Tiger. Ah. Are you ready to teleport?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Daddy, something wrong. We are in the toilet.
Okay, let's try again. 3, 2, 1.
Yeah, we are in the right place.
Okay, guys, so we have to put on raincoats.
It's raining.
It's raining. Let's go. We are ready. First, let's feed a tiger.
Tiger. Lion. Bird.
Next stop, doe. Doe is the female of the deer. They have a small babies there. Look.
Doe.
Hello. And here we have ducks. Hello, ducks.
Llama.
Yum, 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 yum. We do not forget about you. Oh, so good. You are so pretty. Now it's time for the monkey.
Monkey.
Show me, what do you eat? Do you feel itchy? Oh, so cute. She holds the baby on her back. We do not forget to feed some birds.
Peacock. Swan. Ostrich. Stork.
You want to touch it? Last stop. Let's feed fish.
Fish.
Hi guys, are you ready for the show? Okay, let's go ahead and watch.
Sponsored by IQ English.